Hello and welcome to Ginger Toast. Today I'm going to show you the recipe for fluffy blueberry pancakes. We need only minimal ingredients to make this, and I have mentioned them in the description box. Please check it out later. So let's start making the blueberry pancakes. Let's begin with the dry ingredients. Add 1.5 cups of plain flour into a big bowl. To this add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of salt, two tablespoons of sugar, and mix lightly. Now add in the wet ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 egg, lightly beat and add in one cup of milk, and start mixing. Add milk in batches. This batter should be of thick consistency. You can also use buttermilk instead of milk. I added around 1 cup of milk. We can adjust the quantity of milk according to the consistency of batter we need. Also, do not overmix this batter. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence into this and mix well. Adding vanilla essence is optional. Now add in blueberries to this. I have added 3/4 cup of blueberries. Combine everything well and keep this for 10 minutes. Heat a non-stick pan and on a low flame we will cook these pancakes. Mix the batter well before you pour in. Do not spread the batter. You can flip it after 3-4 minutes. It's beautifully cooked. After 1 or 2 minutes, you can take this out. Now continue making the pancakes. I was able to make 9 pancakes with this recipe. It's very easy to adjust the recipe to get the number of pancakes you need. I am serving this with honey, butter, and some more blueberries. It looks absolutely delicious. You can use maple syrup instead of honey, but I prefer honey. You can add more fresh fruits to make it more tasty and appealing. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please try it out and let me know how it turned out for you. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.